Respected Chairperson, dear colleagues and audience, I welcome you all our today's presentation. I am Dr. Bilal Hussain, Vitreoretinal Surgeon in Combat Military Hospital, Dhaka and Bangladesh Eye Hospital, Uttara. So I am very much grateful to All India Ophthalmological Society for inviting me as guest faculty to share our experiences. So I will share today with you all regarding capsular tension ring, the use of lifeboat in a sinking situation. And I have no financial interest to disclose. So capsular tension ring is an essential device in case of cataract surgery with zonular dehiscence. And CTR may help to prevent further subluxation, even dislocation of IOL after insertion. But proper handling of CTR is very important to get utmost result. So timing of the CTR is very important. So it is wise to implant CTR as early as possible, just after detection the zonular dehiscence or a decision of the insertion. So first we separate the anterior capsule from the remnant of the cortical matter, and through the with the help of instrument we insert the CTR, which gives better capsular support, while for phacoemulsification also. In some cases, CTR may be important to insert at the middle part of the surgery. So in this black cataract you have seen, after doing phacoemulsification of few portion, then zonular dehiscence was detected, and then we decide to implant CTR at the middle of the surgery. But even after sometimes in few cases that there may be trace amount of zonular dehiscence, and with those you can complete the capsular axis phacoemulsification, even IOL implantation. But to ensure the security of exact position of the IOL in back, you may need to insert CTR at the end of the surgery also. So very frequently we found few cases of coloboma with the cataract, and CTR is one of the prime tool in management of cataract surgery with coloboma. And if the amount of dehiscence is very much or huge amount, so along with the CTR, sometimes we need to implant CTR segment also for better stabilization of the capsular bag with IOL. So in such cases, CTR segment also gives better result. So technique of implantation of the CTR. So it is very easily possible in case of when there is a nucleus inside the bag. But implantation of CTR in aphakic cases actually a bit difficult due to lack of support in the capsular bag, which usually we get through the cortical matter or nucleus also. Even in some cases, the CTR may land in unexpected position also. And from such kind of position, it is very important to safely rescue the misplaced CTR. And improper handling may give few complications like hemorrhage, iridodialysis, even iris damage also. So for easy and safe removal of the CTR, a second instrument is very essential. So first identify the shaft to remove the CTR in a misplaced position. And you can take help from the second instrument and give a support under the CTR to easily remove this from the misplaced position. Though sometimes it may be possible to implant the CTR again in the capsular bag, but we can remove it also. So after removal, so we will implant CTR in a easy way. So first guide the head leading part of the CTR with a second instrument, then put it and keep the shaft supported within the second instrument, and then put it within the capsular bag. Sometimes after doing a eventful or uneventful cataract surgery smoothly, CTR may be needed after the IOL implantation also. In this case, you have seen there is an inadvertent pulling of capsular bag while doing IA. So there is a instant development of zonular dehiscence. So in such cases, we also may implant CTR for better capsular support. So when there is a zonular dehiscence at excess amount about more than 180 or 180 degree, then along with the CTR for doing the phacoemulsification or intraocular others procedure in cataract surgery, we may need help from the capsular hook. So capsular hook usually gives better strength to the bag, which helps to do further procedure smoothly. And in such cases, sometimes we also use capsular segment for better stabilization. After implantation of CTR, sometimes removal of the remnant of the cortical matter becomes a bit difficult. So it is very important to remove all the cortical matter. So in such cases, what we can do, we can remove the cortical matter along the guidance of the shaft of the CTR, just pulling the cortical matter through the open portion of the loop of the CTR. And ultimately, this gives any cortical matter free capsular bag and smooth surgery. Sometimes there are few cases where there is a corneal opacity due to trauma, even anterior capsular fibrosis. Sometimes this traumatic cataract may develop with the may present with the some amount of zonular dehiscence. So it is very important to go for CTR in such cases. But due to poor view, CTR may land in an unexpected position also. So previously I have shown how to remove a CTR, then re-implant it. But we can also reposition a CTR within the capsular bag in the same CTR at the same setting also. So CTR is a very essential device for a smooth cataract surgery and fruitful cataract surgery in case of cataract with zonular dehiscence, and it is a lifeboat in a sinking situation of a capsular bag. And proper insertion can make optimum safe position of the IOL, but improper handling can cause iris damage and hemorrhage. So pre-operative proper evaluation and meticulous per-operative handling can give the optimum output result in case of CTR implantation in cataract surgery with zonular dehiscence. Thank you so much, sir.